So I think this has been one of Barcelona's worst seasons in a while. Sacking Valverde mid-season was a terrible idea. I understand there were certain matches we should have won, but at least the team had stability, right? And we were 2 points clear at the top of the table, and we could have had a much better end to the league campaign. Secia was just a major fuck up. Everything started going downhill since then. There were rifts between the players and the managers. The lineups were questionable at times, and the performances were simply disappointing. The Champions League defeat to Bayern was something that we had been expecting for a while.
So speaking about last season, well, it has been a complete disaster. There's nothing much you can talk about it. To summarize, the heavy defeat against Bayern. Still, there were some great stars that came through it, like Ansu Fati and Ricky Puig, and Messi once again showing that he has got a lot of fuel left in his tank.
First of all, we should stop making stupid transfer decisions like selling Arthur for P. Hennig and that too for next to nothing. The only successful signings in Barto's regime have been Clement Lenglet and arguably Arturo Vidal, who has put in some good shifts. But other than that, I think we should stop buying players who are nearing their 30s and instead focus on bringing young blood into the team and give more opportunities to the Mazia lads.
Moving on to the transfer policy of Barcelona, it's complete bullshit. We are selling off young players, bringing in unwanted and aged players. I don't expect anything from them, but still I hope they bring in an all-out striker and a dependable CB.
I don't have very high hopes from the next season, to be honest. I expect to be competing for the league as usual, and I think Koeman will place more faith in the young blood, giving more opportunities to the Mazia lads. And it would certainly be interesting to see Frankie de Jong, Antoine Griezmann, and Philippe Coutinho play in their original positions. But I don't see the Champions League happening anytime soon, and I just hope that we avoid another embarrassment.
Talking about the future expectations I have from Barcelona, well, the appointment of Ronald Koeman has been a pretty great one. He's a pretty versatile manager and a pretty good one too. He has a great tools at his disposal. I hope he uses them efficiently towards a great team. The team looks good on the paper, but let's see how they come out and perform on the field.
I think it's been pretty evident for a while now that Messi has been fed up of this board, their transfer policy, their inability to replace Neymar, the successive Champions League debacles. But we get to enjoy him for another season, right? Anyway, I think there's no direct replacement for Messi, and it's too soon to say this, but eventually Ansu Fati may be able to fill in his place. But well, let's see.
This situation right now at Barcelona are pretty messy. So once again Bartomeu acted like a true politician, saved his own ass and not fulfilling his promises once again and not providing a great project for Barcelona. I hope the quicker he leaves Barcelona, the better, and I expect more from them. I expect a lot from them. I hope they reach their glory days once again like they were a decade before, and all the best to Barcelona.